Simplified legal mnemonics. Decoding PPG, the formula P, PPG, and AC breaks down the legal structure into memorable sections for easier recall. It begins with P, representing preliminary, sections 1 to 3, followed by the next P, which stands for punishments, sections 4 to 13, and then general exceptions. This is followed by plus 30, covering various provisions, and abetment and criminal conspiracy, plus 17. The next focus is on women and child sex offenses, sections 63 to 99, which includes critical provisions such as section 70 on gang rape. Moving forward, human body-related offenses are detailed in sections 100 to 146, followed by offenses concerning the state, sections 147 to 158, Army, sections 159 to 167, elections, sections 168 to 176, and coins, section 77 to 188. The mnemonic continues with a daily routine analogy, wake up with PT 5 times, to represent the next 5 chapters. PT and public servant offenses, contempts of lawful authority by public servants, fake evidence, public health, and decency-related provisions. After this, focus shifts to religion-related offenses, sections 29 to 302, followed by property crimes like theft of property, sections 303 to 324, offenses related to documents, sections 325 to 350, criminal intimidation, sections 351 to 357, and finally, repeal or savings, section 358. Crime against women is elaborated in sections 63 to 99, starting with rape, section 63, and its punishment under section 64, and extending to provisions like section 66, insertion causing death, section 67, husband's intercourse during separation, section 68, sexual intercourse by a person in authority, referred to as boss, and section 69, false promise to marriage, a newly added provision. The critical section 70 addresses gang rape, IPC 376, simplified legal mnemonics. Section 63 begins with the definition of rape, followed by section 64, which lays out the punishment for rape, and section 65, which specifies penalties for certain cases of rape. Section 66 deals with instances of insertion causing death, while section 67 addresses husband's intercourse during separation. Section 68, often referred to as boss, criminalizes sexual intercourse by a person in authority. And section 69, a newly added provision, focuses on false promise to marriage. Section 70 is critical as it covers gang rape, aligned with IPC 376, while section 71 addresses punishment for repeat offenders, IPC 376E, introduced post Nirbhaya to mandate life imprisonment or death for repeated rape convictions. Further, section 72 criminalizes the printing or publishing of matters without permission, and section 73 prohibits the disclosure of a victim's identity. Section 74 targets assault or criminal force to outrage modesty, and section 75 addresses sexual harassment. Section 76 criminalizes assault with intent to disrobe, and section 77 deals with voyeurism, defined as observing someone without consent for sexual gratification. The framework extends to section 78, which tackles stalking, and section 79, which punishes any word, gesture, or act intended to insult the modesty of a woman. Section 80 focuses on dowry death, while section 81 addresses cohabitation under deceit of lawful marriage. Section 82 penalizes marrying again during the lifetime of a spouse, and section 83 criminalizes marriage ceremonies fraudulently performed without lawful basis. Section 84, referred to as SETA, deals with enticing, taking away, or detaining a married woman with criminal intent. Section 85, PAVE, pertains to husband or relatives subjecting a woman to cruelty, with section 86 further defining cruelty. Section 87, labeled Kalnayak, criminalizes kidnapping, abducting, or inducing a woman to compel marriage or for other exploitation. Together, these sections provide a detailed legal framework aimed at protecting women from various forms of violence, exploitation, and abuse, ensuring justice and safeguarding dignity. Sections 88 to 99, point-wise summary. 1. Section 88, causing miscarriage. 2. Section 89, causing miscarriage without the woman's consent. 3. Section 90, death caused by an act intended to cause miscarriage. 4. Section 91, acts intending to prevent a child from being born alive or causing its death after birth. 5. Section 92, causing the death of a quick unborn child amounting to culpable homicide. 6. Section 93, exposure and abandonment of a child under 12 by parents or caregivers. 7. Section 94, hiding birth by secretly disposing of the dead body of a child. 8. Section 95, engaging a child to commit an offense. 9. Section 96, secret procurement of a child for adoption, sale, or trafficking. 10. Section 97, kidnapping or abducting a child under 10 years with intent to steal from the child. 11. Section 98, selling a child for purposes of prostitution or similar exploitation. 12. Section 99, buying a child for purposes of prostitution or similar exploitation.